YouTube and all my other platforms. So today I'm just going to keep it quite simple. The other day I came up with the idea of showing you guys how to make a post-workout smoothie. And the key element to a post-workout smoothie is providing your body protein to help repair itself. So protein is mainly your cells, or mainly is what fuels your cells to help out with the recovery after a workout. And that's like a whole other topic. But anyway, if you want to rely more on a natural source of protein in your smoothies instead of the powders, you have a couple options. You have soy milk, you have almond milk, you have specific nuts like almonds, you can use chia seeds, peanut butter, pumpkin seeds, and just regular milk as an alternative source for getting protein if you want to keep your smoothie all natural. Now, if you want to have a little bit of aid to your smoothie for adding in protein, you simply take in a protein powder, and I go with Herbalife. Not advertising this, just showing you what I use when I want to add a little bit of kick to my post-workout smoothie. So, enough talk. I'm going straight to the tutorial on how to make a post-workout smoothie for a good source of protein. Alright, and I'm back to guide you through this commentary on making post-workout smoothies. So the first step was to get some honey roasted peanuts. I kind of eyeballed it on the amount. Another step would be to get the cinnamon, and I'm simply doing this to add some flavor to it, since I do slightly have a sweet tooth. Over the years I've learned to turn that sweet tooth into a fruit tooth. If that makes any sense. Anyway, I'm also adding in some Herbalife protein powder, and this is simply just to get that thick consistency that I want. Again, you don't necessarily need to have any powders in your smoothie, but to me it does very well in assisting of getting the right texture. Alright, next I'm adding in a banana, and bananas are known for potassium, a very good source. And I learned that if you was to eat 2 bananas and you work out, you would probably go for about 30 minutes. You can Google that fact for your own research. Alright, next I'm putting in some chia seeds. Chia seeds is another alternative to the protein that your body needs, like I mentioned before. And with the amount, you don't need to overdo it. I have a tablespoon here. I'm going to take probably about half a tablespoon and just add it to the smoothie. Remember, smoothie is not about how much you have in it, it's how you mix the ingredients, not necessarily how many ingredients you have in it. Just dropping some light for all those smoothie enthusiasts out there. Alright. Next thing I'm doing is adding in some almond milk. Again, this is my choice of milk to drink, and it's made of no dairy products. It's all coming from the almond. Good. It's a good thing to try. Right. Next, I'm adding in a handful of ice, and yes, my hands are clean when I was making the video, and this serving was just for me, honestly. And yeah, that's about it. Quite simple. Turn the blender on, mix it for about a minute, and you'll see if you put in the work the correct way or not. Well, while that's blending, the main thing that got me into making smoothies is simply because it's a healthy alternative for sweets. Okay, and I'm back. I hope that commentary shed some light on how to make a post-workout smoothie. What we're about to do right now is have a live taste test. So let's get it. Alright, nice little creamy texture. is how it would come out to. Nice, creamy color, but let's just go for the taste test and get this live reaction. This is very good. You know, you can definitely taste the pumpkin spice, you know, from Herbalife, that protein powder. You know, I got the honey roasted peanuts flavor in here. You got the banana that's up in here. Chia seeds too, you know, for the texture. It's very good, y'all. Oh, and the cinnamon. I got that in here as well. So let's say like you're into chocolate bars, right? You're into candy, but you want to lose weight. Go with a smoothie. That's all I'm saying right now. You know, make the fruits, you know what I'm saying, be your friend. The real fruits. Go with a smoothie if you're trying to lose some weight and you need to cut off certain sugars. You know, if you like chocolate, go with the protein smoothie. Okay? And this is how it, like, you know, takes you away from that artificial candy and whatnot. We're not perfect. I mean, we have our Skittles, you know, here or there, or Snickers bars, but when you try to make results, you gotta let go of something to gain. Take one more taste of this. Banging. This is good. Alright, y'all. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or any suggestions, you can comment in my DM. Like, share, and subscribe. And if you watched the entire video, I give you a salute. And peace. Wise87 out.